At Vectra Mechanical, we've proudly provided reliable HVAC maintenance to homes and commercial buildings across Colorado for years. In this project, we're performing planned maintenance on the rooftop units for a busy downtown Denver building, ensuring their system delivers consistent comfort. Our commercial planned maintenance includes checking and cleaning dirty equipment, testing connections, and replacing worn components. We also replace filters to improve airflow and change UV bulbs to maintain air quality. In this case, we're working on an 11-year-old system in a building where temperature control is critical. The system must maintain a temperature range between 68 and 72 degrees at all times. Not only do we ensure this precision in our working equipment, but we also perform careful checks when testing all equipment to ensure that the range stays consistent, even while working. Additionally, we're changing out UV ozone lights, which help clump particles together, allowing them to be efficiently captured by the filters. At Vectra Mechanical, we're committed to providing reliable maintenance on any size system, ensuring comfort and air quality for businesses across Colorado. Give us a call or drop us an email to find out more about our planned maintenance and keep your equipment running smoothly all year long.